In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a call in Zoho CRM. Whether you're planning to reach out to a client or catch up with a colleague, organizing your calls efficiently can greatly enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in and learn how to make this process seamless. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the home page of Zoho CRM. This is where your journey begins and where all the magic happens. The home page serves as the main hub for all your CRM activities, providing an overview and quick access to various functions you might need. Once you're on the home page, focus your attention on the section labeled Calls. You'll see it right there on your navigation bar. Clicking on Calls is crucial because it takes you to the area where you can manage all your communication activities. It's a place you'll find yourself coming back to frequently when organizing your interactions. Now, once you've clicked on Calls, what you need to do next is click on Create Call. This is the option that allows you to set up a new call within Zoho CRM. By selecting this, you're initiating the process for scheduling a call, setting the framework to input all the necessary details. Next up, you'll notice an option labeled Schedule a Call. Click on this. Scheduling a call is the heart of what we're focusing on today. It takes all your inputs and plans a call systematically, ensuring that nothing is forgotten. Now, here comes a decision point. Choosing an option labeled Call For. This step lets you specify the person or the group you want to schedule the call for. Selecting the right option is vital to ensure that the call is associated with the correct contacts or leads. Following this, choose a call type. Options here allow you to categorize your call, be it a sales call, a support call, or perhaps a basic catch-up. Selecting the proper type helps in organizing your calls better and can provide context later on when you're looking back at your call logs. Once you've chosen the call type, designate a call start time. A well-defined start time is crucial for time management and guarantees your availability. Make sure to set a time that will work best, considering the time zone differences if necessary. After setting the start time, choose the call purpose. This step lets you define the reason for the call, which can often guide the agenda and expectations. It's essential for both you and the person on the other end to understand the call's intent. Speaking of the agenda, don't forget to type in your call agenda. Detailing what you aim to achieve during the call can make your conversation more focused and productive. Finally, with all these details filled out, click on Schedule. By doing this, you're saving the call details, locking in all the information you've entered, so the CRM can remind you when it's time to make the call. And that's it. You're now set to keep all your calls organized within Zoho CRM. Scheduling calls this way ensures you maintain a professional approach to managing client and team communications, helping streamline your workflow. Stay tuned for more helpful tips in our upcoming videos.